Fil-waqt li issa għandna t-tifla ċkejk noħra li jisima Jadvika li ħatatina kanzunetta. Fidejk Jadvika. Grazzi.
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. The first three notes just happen to be Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Let's see if I can make it easier. Do, a deer, a flea, make deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name, I call myself. Fa, a longer way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, golden sun. Me, a name, I call myself. Fa, a longer way to run. So, I need a pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, team, a drink of jam and bread. That to bring us back to Do.
Brava tassew Jadvika.